ACOS, an often overlooked and misunderstood metric that is very important for your success on Amazon. I'm gonna be breaking down what ACOS basically means in this video, but keep watching till the end because I'm gonna give you 2 strategies to improve your ACOS on Amazon. ACOS, advertising cost of sale, a key metric for you to measure your success and the success of your ads on Amazon. The formula for ACOS equals the ad spend divided over the ad revenue times 100. So as an example, if you make revenue $1, 1 dirham, 1 riyal, percentage-wise, how much money did you spend on ads to get that sale? So let's take, for example, this water bottle and let's decide to sell this water bottle. Let's say you sold 500 dirhams worth of water bottles today and you spent 100 dirhams on ads. So the ACOS would be equal to ad spend divided over sales or revenue times 100. So it's 100 divided over 500, which is equal to 0.2 or 20% ACOS. So for each dollar, dirham, let's say dirham in this case, you spent 0.20 filis on ads. Is that good? Before I tell you if it's good or not, let me tell you where you're able to find this ACOS number. So you simply log into your ads dashboard, you'll be able to find ACOS for the main campaign for all of your campaigns, or you simply go into each and every campaign and look at your ACOS. Make sure that you choose the correct date range so you're looking at the right numbers. Now, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We're an Amazon SPN service provider and we are certified and partnered with Amazon in the Middle East region. If you want to know a little bit more about selling on Amazon and in particular how you find the right product to sell on Amazon, check out our free training down in the description box below. And if you want help and support with your Amazon business, if you want help in creating an Amazon business, you'll find all of the information on our website and you'll be able to book a consultation call with our team to walk you through how we can help you. So what ACOS is right for you? What should be your ACOS? Very hard to determine as there's so many factors that you need to consider. Factor number 1. What are you selling? Because it's very much dependent on the category that you're selling in. For example, the electronics category is very, very competitive and you're gonna definitely have a high ACOS in that category. And how long have you been selling the product? So it's very different when you're launching a product versus if you've been selling the product for 6 months, your ACOS is definitely not gonna be the same. Which brings me to my 2 strategies of how you need to implement the right strategies for your business to get the best ACOS. Strategy number 1, better known as break-even ACOS. Now, this is not for the faint-hearted. This is basically when you want to launch a product and you want to have maximum sales and maximum visibility. So you're going to be pushing your product via ads. You know that your break-even, for example, is 25%. So you spent all of that money on ads, basically making sure that you're making no money. You are breaking even. But of course, this is not an easy thing to implement. Well, you don't really need to do it, but it's a strategy that you can follow when you're launching a product or when you want to increase your sales. Strategy number 2, I'm sure it's going to be your favorite, making a profit. So now that your products are launched, now you need to implement certain strategies and tactics in order to lower your ACOS, but keep your sales velocity the same, which is much more difficult than it seems. So you're spending less money on ads, meaning you're lowering the visibility of the product, but you still need to have the same amount of units that you are selling. This is definitely something that you implement after your product has launched, and it requires a lot of key decisions, and you really need to focus on 3 main metrics: your click-through rate, your cost per click, as well as your conversion rate. Those 3 metrics you're going to be playing around with in order to ensure that you're lowering your ACOS without touching your sales or even keeping your sales velocity as quick and as speedy as possible. One key component of lowering your ACOS, which is often overlooked, even though it's a very simple thing for you to implement, it's actually optimizing your listing. Because the better your listing, the more it's going to convert, which means the less money you're gonna have to spend on ads. So if you haven't done a really good job with optimizing your listing, if you think some changes can be done in order to improve what customers can see and improve conversion rate, make sure that you check out this video because I give you all of the secrets of what you need to do in order to improve your listing. And I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye!